What are some of the things that you do every day? Watch until the end because the last one is the most important. Number 1, biting your fingernails. Many people bite their fingernails when they get nervous or bored. You may not know it, but some of them can affect your overall health and well-being in a negative way. Certain habits like biting your nails or chewing gum excessively can harm you in many ways. So today we're going to discuss 5 unhealthy habits to avoid. But did you know that this habit can cause problems with your teeth, gums, and even your overall health? It's probably because they don't want them to choke on it. But chewing gum can pose serious risks to your dental and overall health. You might think that eating quickly is no big deal, but this habit can actually cause serious health problems. After all, we hear a lot about how important it is to stay hydrated. Number 2, not sleeping enough. We all know that getting enough sleep is important, but many people don't get the recommended amount of sleep each night. On average, adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. But according to the National Sleep Foundation, only about 30% of adults get the recommended amount of sleep. Not getting enough sleep can lead to serious problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, and even heart disease. When you don't sleep enough, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol. Cortisol can raise your blood sugar levels and make it harder to lose weight. Lack of sleep also can affect your appetite hormones, which can lead to cravings for sugary and fatty foods. Not getting enough sleep also can affect your mood and make you more irritable and anxious. It can also make it harder to concentrate and be productive. Even if you can't sleep for a long time, you should try to get quality sleep. Here are a few tips that may help you improve your sleep quality. First, stick to a regular sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This will help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Next, create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include things like reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted from screens can make it harder to fall asleep. Finally, make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. This will create the perfect environment for sleep. Number 3, drinking too much water. Now, you might wonder how drinking too much water can be bad for you. First, listen to your body's thirst cues. When you're thirsty, it means that you need to drink water. So go ahead and drink up. Well, drinking too much water can actually lead to a condition called hyponatremia, which is when you have too little sodium in your blood. Hyponatremia can cause some unpleasant symptoms, including headaches, nausea, confusion, and even seizures. Research shows that drinking too much water can also put stress on your kidneys. Your kidneys have to work overtime to get rid of the excess water, which can cause dehydration and kidney damage. There are a few ways you can avoid drinking too much water. However, you should be careful not to chug down large amounts of water too quickly. Instead, take your time and drink water throughout the day. Also, it's important to consider the amount of water you need based on your individual needs. Factors such as climate, activity level, and overall health can affect how much water you need to drink. Number 4, eating too fast. Are you someone who quickly shovels down your food during meals? First, eating too fast means you aren't giving your body enough time to digest your food properly. This can lead to digestive issues like indigestion, gas, bloating, and heartburn. Plus, this habit also can make you overeat. When you eat too quickly, you don't give your brain enough time to register that you're full. As a result, you end up consuming more calories than you need. In fact, Research has found that eating quickly increases the risk of obesity by making you more likely to consume large portions. Another issue with eating too quickly is that you may not be getting the right nutrients from your food. When you eat fast, you may not be able to fully enjoy and digest the flavors and textures of your meal. This can make it harder for your body to absorb all the nutrients in the food you eat. A study published in the journal Obesity found that people who ate slowly had lower body mass indexes than those who ate quickly. They also were more satisfied with their meals. There are many simple ways you can slow down and pay attention to your food. Take your time to chew each bite thoroughly and savor the flavors in your mouth. Try to avoid distractions while eating, such as watching TV or on your phone. This will help you focus on your meal and recognize when you're full. Also, if you tend to eat too fast when you're excited about food, find other ways to manage your excitement, such as taking a deep breath or counting to 10 before serving yourself another helping. And number 5, chewing gum. Have you ever wondered why parents always tell their kids to stop chewing gum? Some of these risks include cavities, jaw pain, increased blood pressure, and headaches. It can also cause you to swallow air, leading to stomachache, gas, and bloating. What happens is that the sweeteners and flavorings in gum can trigger bacteria in your mouth to produce acid, and over time, this acid can cause tooth decay and gum disease. Moreover, chewing gum can also put a lot of strain on your jaw muscles and teeth. When you chew gum, you're constantly moving your jaw muscles, which can lead to fatigue and discomfort over time. In addition, if you chew gum while driving or studying, it can make you more distracted and increase your risk of accidents or poor grades. Many studies have shown that the constant motion of chewing gum stimulates adrenaline production, and high levels of adrenaline can contribute to elevated blood pressure. Also, if you chew gum, you might be more likely to get jaw problems like temporomandibular joint disorder. This disorder can make it difficult to chew or speak. If you still want to chew gum, go for sugar-free gums that contain xylitol. Xylitol is a sweetener that does not raise blood sugar levels and promote tooth decay. It also has been shown to prevent the formation of plaque and tartar, both of which can lead to gum disease. People who have this habit usually have a higher risk of developing misaligned teeth, cracked teeth, and receding gums. Plus, it can also expose you to bacteria, which can lead to infections. Infections, how does it happen? When you bite your fingernails, you put your mouth directly into contact with whatever has been on your hands, from germs to chemicals and other stuff. And then you ingest all of those things when you eat. Another big problem with biting your nails is that it damages the tissues at the base of your nails. And when it's damaged, it becomes easier for bacteria to enter your body through those cracks. This can result in an infection that could be painful and spread to other parts of your body. Also, if you bite down too hard on your nails while chewing them, you can break off a piece of tooth. The best thing you can do is keep your nails trimmed so that they read less tempting to chew. If you need help breaking this habit, try using a healthy snack when you feel the urge to bite your nails. You can also try wearing gloves if you're doing something that makes you nervous. But please see your dentist if you notice any signs of damage to your teeth or gums. Did you find this video helpful? Which unhealthy habit do you struggle with the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.